How to convert image into a Word document. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can convert the image into a Word document. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and see how we can do that. For that, you can head over to your Word document, and once you have opened up your blank document, all you need to do is go ahead and insert up a picture. So for that, at the top, you can find an insert tab. You can just go ahead and click on it, and from there, select picture from your device. You can just go ahead and select up a picture, and once selected, tap on this insert and insert the picture into your document. You can just resize it as well according to your preference. Let me just make it a little bit big. So once you have selected your image and placed it, and if you want to convert that image into a Word document, all you need to do is at the top you can find this file section. Just go ahead and tap on it. After that, head over to this section, save as, and open it up. And once you are here, go to the browse section, this one right here. After that, under the file name, you'll be finding the type. So you select the type as PDF first of all. And then after that, save the changes. Once that is done, it will open up your Word document again. So after it is done, you can head over to File again, and this time open it up. Head over to Browse again, and select up the file location to open it up. And after that is done, again head over and open up the Word document. When you do that, you'll be finding this notification pop up. So that will convert your picture to a PDF into a Word document. So just wait for it to be done, and you'll be finding your image being converted into a Word document just like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.